Actually, this is the setup. So if you're using a small impact like this, you want to have a swivel head on it so you can go down on that 2.5 inch, which is always going to be, that's going to be the standard. And then the torque wrench, you just need a whatever size adapter is going to get it. So it's, those are the two constants, and it makes a big difference using this to loosen it. Like this back one, which would be the hardest one to do, it still wasn't bad, you know, if you've got the right stuff. So I'm glad I put off the right side, the left side of my engine until the end and worked that out. My last plug, and again, I got everything queued up, and all I got to do, just very carefully, I don't want to get any dirt in there. This one is definitely the tightest. Boy, that is tight. Got to go down at an angle to get it. There you go. Finger tight. Okay, there we go. Torque wrench. Last one. There we go. All right. Man, I'll tell you, I've been putting this off for a long time. So, boom. Now I'll put these coil packs back on. First one is this guy. This is the toughest one to reach. It's easier leaning over the front of the car. There we go. You want to push until it's real positive seat. Let's see. There's that one. Okay, good. Those are in. And I'll just do one of these. So on this, you gotta, what size is that? Can't even tell. Anyway, it's a Torx. What number is that? T30 with a little adapter here. And here it goes. And this doesn't, you just want it so that it doesn't come loose. You don't need to crank it down, you know? So, what I'll use, I guess I'll use this. There we go. That one's done. The other two are just like it. Anyway, 12 spark plugs, that's that.